Hey guys, it's your boy Ryan, man. Back with another video, and today, look what came in. It's a custom dash cam made for each car, and this one's for my 2015 S550. It's gonna replace this whole plastic unit. It's gonna have a built-in dash cam built into the plastic piece, so we won't need these two dash cams no more. All right, let's open it up. Put that right there. You get a user manual, and this is the actual dash cam itself. So like I said, it's got a built-in camera right here, and it replaces this entire plastic unit. They make them for any and every car. So you just gotta go on their website or look up your year, make, and model, and then you'll find the exact one for your car. And it comes with all the wiring needed. It also comes with a rear camera that goes in the back over there. It comes with that wiring, with the pry tool, power cable, and a 128GB SD card, as well as a built-in GPS system. All right, let's take some of these things out. And then to start, I'm just gonna be taking off my old dash cam, and then this one we could just pry it off using the tool they provided, or you can just use your hands. It's pretty easy. Just like that. Okay, and do the other side like that, and then it should just slide off. Just like this. Pretty easy. And then to wire it in, you just disconnect the sensor up here, like that, comes out. And then you get your new dash cam like this. You flip it over. It's got 3 cables. One for the rear camera, one for the power plug, and then one for the GPS. All right, so this is the new dash cam right here. You get the adapter that it comes with like this. This is the power plug, and then this is the power plug as well. So you connect it inside like this. You'll hear it click like that. And then the sensor we just unplugged, it connects to this end right here, like this. You'll hear it click as well. And then this part connects to the top part right here that we just disconnected, which is the sensor. You'll hear it click like that. If you bought one with the rear camera, this is what it looks like. And it comes with the adhesive, so you could stick it on the back windshield. All right, I'm gonna set mine up, so I wanna open it. All right, we got all the wires. We'll throw this in the back seat just to see how long it is. And then we'll connect this portion where it says rear camera to this part where it says rear camera. So these are the 2 portions right here, just like that. And then you could also connect the GPS part, and then that part connects right here. There's also arrows that tell you how to connect it, so you really can't mess it up. All right, for this next part, you just want to connect it up here. You can tuck all the wires back. And now we just got to tuck away these wires. All right, dash cam's on. And then don't forget, it comes with its own 128GB SD card, and it just plugs into the side of the camera. It goes right there and it just clicks in. We're back. I ended up unplugging the rear camera, and now I'm gonna plug it back in and then hide the wires all the way up to the headliner, all the way to the back. Then you can just keep hiding the wires all the way through here, like that. We're gonna keep tucking the wire all the way up here, and then we're gonna mount the dash cam like somewhere in the middle right there. I just mounted the rear camera. I still have some wiring tucked into the headliner. That's easy, just gotta do that real quick. We just finished installing the new Mangoal camera, so it's right here, and we also did the rear view one as well. The next clip will be some driving footage with the camera in action, as well as the rear view camera I installed. I'll put the link down in the description so you guys can go buy one or check it out. They can make it for any car. Just let them know your make and model. All right guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh damn, someone getting towed. They got a flat tire.